In this video, what you should check before securing the battery and a step-by-step replacement with info on the battery size. But please, open the bonnet first using these latches, which you can never find, and then start by disconnecting the negative terminal and then the positive. The reason we do this is explained in this video somewhere on the screen, so by all means pause this one and watch that one first if you need to. When disconnecting the positive, loosen the nut closest to the battery post and lift the whole junction box together with the terminal. Next, you'll need to loosen this bolt down at the base of the battery for the retaining bracket. And then use the smallest hands you have available to remove it. Now just slide the battery forward to remove it. I'll provide some specs on the replacement battery a bit later in the video. For now, fit the positive terminal and then install the bracket, but don't tighten it like I did. I'll explain shortly. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. Now that the bracket is in position, tighten the positive first. The negative cable might be too short to reach, so with the bracket loosely fitted, save yourself some time and make sure the negative terminal can be connected. To match the original battery size with these dimensions, a battery with 40 to 50 amp hours and 300 to 400 cranking amps will get you there. There were also no warning messages on startup, and you'll just need to set the time and date. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.